Check out my mini video on the perfect nude lipstick for medium tone girls using Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit. Hi, I'm Debbie. Welcome to my channel. Here we do makeup and skincare for my medium tone girls out there, and I am so happy to have you here. I have been on the search for the perfect long-lasting nude lipstick forever, and out of desperation I went to my local Ulta, and the girls there told me that Kylie's Cosmetics would be a definite winner for me. I told them that I wanted something long-lasting and highly pigmented because as a medium tone girl, my natural lip skin is quite dark, so I was really curious and was willing to give this a try. After trying a few colors, I was positive the shade One Wish creates the perfect nude lip for medium tone girls. Each kit comes with a matte liquid lipstick and matching lip liner. Take the lip liner and outline your lips. Fill in your lips completely with pencil before applying the lipstick. The waxy consistency will act like tape to hold the color down longer. This ultra long wearing lip liner has a creamy texture that glides across the lips for an easy and comfortable application. You know, I have never been a liquid lipstick or gloss kind of girl, but Kylie's matte liquid lipstick has definitely changed my mind. Her matte lipstick has high intensity pigment, which is great for my naturally dark skinned lips. The color does last most of the day and it's comfortable to wear. However, I did notice at the end of the day my lips felt a bit dry. This is just a small setback to pay, as I have a nightly lip routine to keep my lips feeling healthy. I don't mind this minor setback as I have finally found a nude long-lasting lip color that really looks good on my skin tone. Please comment below and share your feelings about Kylie's lip kit. I will see you next week. Bye.
Moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I?